part 284C3M1B7C8E13C9C6D3p38d19d7b29. And it's line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c9c6d3p38d19d7b29. Compton quantum wavelengths 5G Wow Seti. There's the alien radio signal. This is about quantum Compton wavelengths, keyword research well data. So there's a line of data from the previous video, and pulse pressure vapor signals is what we covered in it. The keywords Fonnula particles plus wavelength formulas plus Compton wavelength came up. Quote from wiki: the Compton wavelength is a quantum mechanical property of a particle. It was introduced by Arthur Compton in his explanation of the scattering of photons by electrons, a process known as Compton scattering. The Compton wavelength of a particle is equivalent to the wavelength of a photon, whose energy is the same as the rest mass energy of the particle. The Compton wavelength symbol of a particle is given by, and there's an equation there, where h is the Planck constant, m is the particle's rest mass, and c is the speed of light. The significance of this formula is shown in the derivation of the Compton shift formula. This CODATA 2006 value for the Compton wavelength of the electron is 2.4263102.175 plus minus 33 times 10 minus 12 and then m. It's 10 to the power of minus 12 m. Other particles have different Compton wavelengths. So here's a diagram here that shows gravitational, and it has some calculations or symbols with it, with formula. Well, I don't know what, I forget what you call them, math equations or something. Inertial, MTE, and then quantum is 2 pi over the upside down y, and then c over the upside down y. I think it's an upside down y. I could be wrong. I don't know. The relation between properties of mass and their associated physical constants. Every massive object is believed to exhibit all 5 properties. However, due to extremely large or extremely small constants, it is generally impossible to verify more than 2 or 3 properties for any object. The Schwarzschild radius, or RS, represents the ability of mass to cause curvature in space and time. The standard gravitational parameter, which is the funny little U with the tail, represents the ability of a massive body to exert Newtonian gravitational forces on other bodies. Inertial mass m represents the Newtonian response of mass to forces. Rest energy is E with the 0, the mini little 0 on the bottom, represents the ability of mass to be converted into other forms of energy. The Compton wavelength, which is the symbol that looks like an upside down Y, represents the quantum response of mass to local geometry. And the keyword in the next video is not listed because I goofed up. No, we can't have. Okay, so the X-ray photo somehow, sorry, they got mixed up. Somehow my lenses got mixed up. This is from the photon X-ray photo emission OS spectra, but it was Fonnula that came up, and so I googled it to see what is it, and then we'll add it there. Okay, thanks for watching.